Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to delete a WhatsApp status. Whether you have posted a status by mistake or just want to remove it, we have got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp in your mobile phone or browser and click on the status section on the mid of your screen. Then click on My Status. And here is your status. Then scroll upward and you will see 3 dot. Click on that and you see delete option, then click on that also. Then confirm the deletion and delete. Deleting a WhatsApp status is quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we will see you in next video.